Sing and learn through songs.
Play and sing, learn everything with ease.
See and hear, remember forever with ease.
Let the flowers of knowledge bloom in our hearts.
Let us move ahead and become the best. Sing and learn through songs.
Can we make electricity with a magnet, friends? When the coil and magnet move, electricity is produced too. Now listen to the first question. Electromagnetic induction.
Can you tell me what it is?
When the magnetic flux linked with the coil begins to change,
An induced EMF is produced.
this is called induction.
If the circuit is complete, an induced current will flow too.
Now listen to the second question. When a magnet is moved
Into a coil, what will happen?
when the magnetic flux changes, an EMF is produced.
If the circuit is complete,
Current begins to flow. When the magnet is moved out, the direction of current also changes.
now listen to the third question.
If the magnet is stopped,
Will current be produced?
if the magnet and coil are stationary,
There is no change in flux.
if the flux does not change,
No EMF will be produced.
so the induced current will not flow, my friends. Now listen to the fourth question.
Fleming's right-hand rule, how do we use it? Hold the three fingers of your right hand perpendicular. The forefinger shows the field direction. The thumb shows the direction of motion. The middle finger will show
The direction of induced current. Remember, remember,
remember
the three fingers.
field motion current.
Remember the right hand rule. Now the remaining questions, let us learn them through a song. Generator and transformer, let us understand them easily. Get ready for the fifth question. What is the principle of an electric generator? Electromagnetic induction, that is its basic principle. When a coil moves in a magnetic field, an EMF is produced. This is the basic principle behind the working of a generator. Now listen to the sixth question. How does a generator produce electricity inside a magnetic field? The coil keeps rotating, the magnetic flux keeps changing, and an EMF is produced. Mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. The device that does this is our electric generator. Now listen to the seventh question. Can you tell the difference between AC and DC? In AC, the direction of current keeps changing periodically. In DC, the current always flows in the same direction. Changing direction means AC. One direction means DC. This simple difference, never ever forget. Now listen to the final question. What is a transformer? How does it work? It is used to increase or decrease AC voltage. When AC flows through the primary coil, a changing magnetic field is produced. This produces in the secondary coil an induced EMF. Mutual induction is its basic working principle. More turns, step up, fewer turns, step down. Move the magnet and current can flow. Remember, the flux must change through induction. The generator gives us electricity. Let us identify AC and DC and understand the transformer too. Let us sing and learn through songs. Physics is now easy to learn.
Dear students, through today's learning song, we have easily understood electromagnetic induction, magnetic flux, induced EMF, induced current, Fleming's right-hand rule, electric generator, AC, DC, transformer, and mutual induction. Now, Let us recall once again the 8 questions and answers we learned through the song, in the same order. First question. What is electromagnetic induction? Answer. When there is a change in the magnetic flux linked with a coil, an induced EMF is produced in that coil. This phenomenon is called electromagnetic induction. If the circuit is complete, this induced EMF causes an induced current to flow. Second question. What happens when a magnet is moved towards a coil? Answer. When a magnet is moved towards a coil, the magnetic flux linked with the coil changes. As a result, an induced EMF is produced in the coil. If the circuit is complete, an induced current also flows. When the magnet is moved away from the coil, the direction of the induced current reverses. Third question. If the magnet is stopped, will an induced current be produced? Answer. No. If the magnet and the coil remain stationary with no relative motion between them, there will be no change in magnetic flux. Since the flux does not change, no induced EMF will be produced. Therefore, no induced current will flow. Fourth question. What is Fleming's right-hand rule? Answer. Hold the thumb, forefinger, and middle finger of your right hand mutually perpendicular to each other. The forefinger indicates the direction of the magnetic field. The thumb indicates the direction of motion of the conductor. The middle finger indicates the direction of the induced current. This is called Fleming's right-hand rule. So let us remember. Field, motion, current. These 3 directions can be identified using Fleming's right-hand rule. Fifth question. What is the working principle of an electric generator? Answer. An electric generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. When a coil moves in a magnetic field, the magnetic flux linked with it changes, and an induced EMF is produced in the coil. Sixth question. How does a generator produce electricity? Answer. In a generator, a coil rotates inside a magnetic field. As the coil rotates, the magnetic flux linked with it keeps changing continuously. As a result, an induced EMF is produced in the coil. In this way, a generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Seventh question. What is the basic difference between AC and DC? Answer. In AC, or alternating current, the direction of current changes periodically with time. In DC, or direct current, the current flows only in one direction. So let us remember. Changing direction means AC. Flowing in one direction means DC. Eighth question. What is a transformer? What is its basic working principle? Answer. A transformer is a device used to increase or decrease AC voltage. A transformer consists of a primary coil, secondary coil, and iron core. When AC flows through the primary coil, a continuously changing magnetic field is produced. As a result of this changing magnetic field, an induced EMF is produced in the secondary coil. The basic principle behind this process is mutual induction. If the secondary coil has more turns than the primary coil, it is a step-up transformer. If the secondary coil has fewer turns than the primary coil, it is a step-down transformer. Now, let us remember once again the main ideas from today's lesson. A change in magnetic flux causes induction. Induction produces an induced EMF. If the circuit is complete, an induced current flows. Fleming's right-hand rule helps us find the direction of the current. A generator produces electricity through electromagnetic induction. In AC, the direction changes. In DC, the direction remains the same. Through mutual induction, a transformer increases or decreases AC voltage. To get similar learning songs in all subjects in the language of your choice, you can join the Paadi Padikkam group. To join the group, first scan the QR code now shown on the screen. When you scan the QR code, you will receive the link to join the Paadi Padikkam group. Scan this QR code right now. Watch the free sample lessons. Then you can also join the Paadi Padikkam group. For those who are unable to scan the QR code, there is another option. If you are interested in becoming a member, simply send a WhatsApp message to 813-807-3227 with your name, your preferred language, and the word sample. You will receive the links to listen to and watch 3 free sample learning songs, along with the membership link. With this, today's learning journey comes to an end. We will meet again in the next learning song. Thank you. Namaskaram. I am your very own Ivan. From Paadi, Padikkam.
Sing and learn 3 songs.
Play and sing, learn everything with ease.
See and hear, remember forever with ease.
Let the flowers of knowledge bloom in our hearts.
Let us move ahead and become the best. Sing and learn through songs.
പാടി പഠിക്കാം,
പാട്ടിലൂടെ പഠിക്കാം,
കളിച്ചും പാടിയും
ഈസിയായി പഠിക്കാം,
കണ്ടും കേട്ടും മറക്കാതിരിക്കാൻ പഠിക്കാം.
അറിവിൻ പൂക്കൾ മനസ്സിൽ വിരിയട്ടെ, ഒന്നാമനായി നമുക്ക് മുന്നേറാം. പാടി പഠിക്കാം, പാട്ടിലൂടെ പഠിക്കാം.